Hi Rajesh. Hi Nat. Good morning. Can you guys hear me? Hello?
Yes, Guru, I can hear you. I'll be on mute for another 10 minutes.
Yeah, me too. Just wanted to do audio check. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
I'm
Yeah.
able to see your screen.
Yes, thanks.
Good morning, Madhu. Good morning, Bopanna.
Morning, Guru. Yeah.
Morning, Guru.
Morning, all of you gentlemen. Yeah. I'll go on mute. Yeah.
Yeah.
Morning, Guru. How is my audio, Guru?
Audio is good, Rajesh. No issue.
Thank you.
To go 3-0 and one of the best in the world is a tough
Bob,
task.
you can be on mute, Bob, yourself. Your TV audio is coming.
Rajesh, it's 10 a.m. Let's wait for 5 more minutes. I'll put one more notification in the bar group for people to join.
That's not required, Guru, because it's available on YouTube. If you want, we can go back and see the same, right? So I don't think we need to wait here for others. If those who want them to join, they can join here because they are catching all the flights on time.
Yeah, true. But the more people we have, the more questions we'll have. That's all.
Yeah.
Rajesh, that was a very good one. Yeah.
Very true. Very true.
So yeah, we will start, Guru. I don't think we need to wait for someone because waiting is not a good thing. And it's a live on YouTube, so any questions, we are here around. Everybody's our people, and all are connected through WhatsApp, phone, radio.
Okay, let's start.
So, good morning, all. This is VU3TBU now operating from Bangalore. So, we are discussing today this WPC ham license migration procedure. I'm not sure how many of you have gone through that. I know Guru has gone through and completed one round and waiting for the second round. I have done around 27 round inside that. So I will go take you through the presentation. I think it's visible. All can see, right, Guru?
Yes, we can see.
Okay. Yeah. So thanks to Bark for the platform, and thanks to Guru for setting up this, and thanks to all participants for joining on this meeting as well as on YouTube. So first important thing is we need to create a login here. For that, we need to go to the saralsanjar.go.in URL. Those who are not computer savvy or never touched computer, but I'm not sure someone is like that in this group because they already joined the group from mobile or computer. So we have a register yourself link in their portal, and we can click that button here. After that, we will get a registration form. This form we need to register. Registration type is like individual WPC exams and certificates, and our basic details with PAN card. And so when filling here, make sure that you are filling the right, accurate information without any spelling mistake, without any space. All data should match with all your official government documents. Otherwise, that will be a big problem later because all processes are online. So this is the first process where you need to register here. You can get help of someone else. Those who are so interested in computers or doing day-to-day work in computer, if you are not a computer guy. So this is the first process here. And after getting there we need to give our mobile number and email address, and we'll get OTP there to enter. So that type OTP we need to enter there. Then we'll get a username and password. After that, again, first page of this page have, after registration, we have a login here. Those who are registered can go to the login screen, and login screen looks like this, where we need to give the user ID provided by them. It started with the India Echo, and the password they may have messaged you by email or SMS. And the security code, normally the CAPTCHA, those who don't know CAPTCHA, it will be showing like a character mix here. That here you can see that is Sierra Mike, Charlie Mike, Tango, Zulu. And if you are not able to read that, you can click this refresh button here and get a readable copy of the CAPTCHA. Enter the CAPTCHA here. Security code is that. It's CAPTCHA. And you log into the portal, then you will be getting a page like this. So first page is like this, where we have this WPC apply now button, and there is a help desk also here. If you have any doubt related to the application or the process or related to any other thing where your address is different from the license, or your father name, what you entered in the license 30 years back, having a K, now it is Kumaran or something like that. That you can write to the help desk. Help desk is very helpful. They are very humble, and they call also. They send us the reply through email. This is the only reply we get through email. No other process have in this email reply. So that is about help desk. And this apply now button, we can click here, apply now. Then we will be taken into another page where we can confirm our personal details, where you will be seeing this welcome message with your name here, and update personal details. Make sure that your personal detail is accurate. Again, father's name and relationship with father, or whoever guardian you have given the name in the license. That, because that is one of the error most of the people are getting, that the relationship is not provided, but the relationship column in the form is not editable. So how will you edit it? This is the first question I always got. So that editing is not in the certificate application form. It is supposed to be edited in the update personal details. So always keep this in mind. When whatever related to personal details have to be updated here, because the form is fetching the data from here. Form is not directly fillable by us. So that is one thing, main important thing here, personal details. The second is we need to click the apply for certificate option here. Click the button. We will be taken into another page. There we have amateur option. I'm only focusing on the whatever we need. Click on the apply now. It will take you another page, and there you can see multiple tags. Apply for license. This is not for us. Current application, pending request, license issue rejected. No, we need to go to the last tab. It's called migration. This is the same page where we need to go to check about our status of the application, because there is no email, there is no SMS coming to us. We need to go manually here and check the migration status. So go to the migration, and here you have your option, amateur grade selection, like amateur restricted grade and general grade. Two options you will get. There are people, those who have VU3 call sign but a general grade in the past. They need to select their general grade here, not based on your VU3 call sign. And new call sign holders, those who are in VU3, they need to select it as a restricted grade. And your license will have the license number that you can enter here and click get details. If you are doing it for the first time, you will be able to fill the form, get the form. You will not be able to submit a second form for migration here, because your form already will be there. We need to enter the license number here after clicking okay. Here we will give the license number and click the get details button. Then you will be taken into this page again. You will be migration application details and proceed. When we are clicking the proceed, and there will be a confirmation page, you are submitting a fresh application to migration. After that, here these details will come. First is your personal details. You need to enter your call sign, validity of the call sign, and center of examination and date of examination is not mandatory. So don't bother about this. It's not mandatory. Fill only the star marked values, whatever is mandatory in the form. Other forms are not required. No need to fill. So don't bother about that. There were many people asking me that I don't remember the exam date. How will I proceed with the form? So it's not mandatory for your information. And here you will have below, like you can see my name here. Below you will have your personal details auto-filled from the user profile. And you will have your photograph and signature upload, that is 300 into 300. Steps I have already shared earlier. I'll share it later again if required. And all that form is normally when you read it, you will understand what it is. It's very simple. Just 10 minutes it takes maximum. And other details, some other confusion people are getting here is about the latitude and longitude. Here the format is Delta Mike Sierra format, the EMS format, not the what we are getting from the Google map or any other map. So you need to convert this into a DMS format, and you need to fill all these fields. It's mandatory here. And another update what I have is based on this DMS format and your address. If you are near airport or any other restricted zone, then they will ask you the SACFA certificate. That is mandated now. So if they identify you are near to airport or any restricted area, then SACFA clearance will be asked. So you need to apply for that. That's a separate topic. I'm not going to that right now. So here again is a DMS format, and put that in the actual correct format. After that, these all fields are not mandatory here. What is your antenna, mast, radio, all those things. Those who have the SACFA issue and the ID, then you can fill that here. Those who don't have, no need to fill it here. Equipment details, you no need to add. It's not mandatory. Only fill mandatory fields. And the last page, you will have a next button disabled here. So don't wait for the next button to get active. This is not an active button. It will never get active. So we have a validate application button above on the page. That is the button we need to click. So when we click validate application, so what are the fields they are checking, we will comes to know from here. So like photo and upload, whatever you have, this longitude, longitude, Indian range, that should be there. So these are the forms, whatever they are checking for the validation. This field should have the correct, accurate data, and everything is fine. It will not show any error for you. Then you can submit the form. And after submitting the form, it will show you to download the form and sign it and upload again. So you need to download the form and upload the signed copy of the form into the same page. That is the final submission of the form. Many people submitted till here, and after that they forgot to download it and upload it again. That was one of the bottleneck they have seen. Means after a month only, when they communicated with me, they realized that it is required, or they haven't noted that it is supposed to be downloaded and signed by us and upload again. So after that only the final submission will happen. So after the final submission, we can wait. Now many months, like 2 months and all, people are waiting to get the process, but it's not happened till now. But our process is done here when we do this submission. So this is the process. I think it is clear. In case if you want to re-go or go back to that our YouTube channel, that particular video, you can pause and see each step. And I'll go back to the question and comment session now. It's over from my side now.
Yeah, Rajesh, I have one question. Well, filling in the details, it says center of examination is Ahmedabad, right?
Yeah.
For everybody, it's always Ahmedabad, correct?
Yeah, we don't need to fill it now.
Okay. Yeah.
It is not a mandatory fill that I mentioned when I'm filling the form.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
Any other question? Any YouTube? Somebody is watching YouTube. They can put the comment.
Although I think one of the devices you have logged in from two accounts, it is causing a problem. You can log out of one.
Clear now?
Yeah, go ahead, Madhu.
Okay, I'm actually driving. No, probably by mistake I would log into the twice. Okay, now that I am also not getting the feedback. See, when you're uploading the documents, one thing to be noticed also is that the address proof and ID proof, they have to be signed by a gazetted officer mandatorily. Otherwise, it will get reverted.
Yes, Madhu. The ID proof, if it is same, ID and address is same, then it's okay. ID proof, that means they wanted to make sure somebody else telling that we are the one we are uploading. So that for that purpose, we have the ID proof attestation required. Anyway, that one we have circulated the step-by-step different one. Session tell that. So the attestation is required to make confirm that we are only submitting the form and it is our ID.
Yes, there was clarification from WPC also by form of a letter. Somebody had asked for that, and they had replied to that. That since they are now validating the documents in their register, the originals have not been verified by them because currently they have got the examiner who verifies at the point of examination. So since our documents have not been verified and we are uploading it, they wanted that to be authenticated by a gazetted officer. That was the clarification received from WPC itself. Rajesh.
Roger, Madhu, your audio is breaking, but I understand what you said. Hope others also copied that and it is recorded.
Yeah, Rajesh, I have one question. You have said after validate form, save draft is there, then you got the validate form. So after you validate the form and you upload, now coming back to the question from Madhu, because if that also has to be uploaded, how does it happen? The ID proof attested one.
Yeah, Bob, when we are creating the application, what I was showing, in that form itself, there is a below form. I am not showing that because it's having my personal data. I cannot have a fresh form. And there we have upload option. Up to 1 MB file we can upload there. Before filling the form, we need to get all the documents, whatever is required attestation, get it attested, and form and signature, photo and signature, 300 into 300 pixel, and our DMS value of latitude and longitude. This we should have in handy, Bob QSL.
Yeah, QSL. Maybe, yeah, I think that's what I had the other day. I had actually mentioned the anyway, you mentioned it's very clear. But now what I understand is we just need to have our ID proof signed. That's it. Is that the only document which has to be attested, or anything else as well?
Yeah, in my case and other cases what are attended is only the ID proof required attestation, because there was no address change in that license and the address, Bob.
Okay, thank you very much. Standing back. Thanks,
Yeah,
Rajesh.
and it takes only 5 to 10 minutes if we have all the documents and signature and photo ready. It just takes 5 to 10 minutes.
Other thing is, as a photograph has to be self attested. You have to sign on that.
Nothing. No, Bob. Our photo just need to upload, because that's a photo going to come in the certificate.
Okay, thank you very much. Standing by. Thanks.
Yeah, and make sure that the signature what we are signing, we may have signed 30 years, 40 years back. Hams may have signed different in that time, and now it is slightly different. So make sure the sign is matching with the signature of the license what you are uploading.
Yeah, I think now time has come for thumb impression. HI.
sorry sorry for that, but again, one more point: those who are upgraded, or sorry, not upgrade, like address change request submitted or change the call sign, they will have another document from WPC for that. That also you make part of the license PDF. One page of the PDF should have the license. Second page, if you have a address change request submitted in between sometime, that you may have got a email or a submission form from WPC, that you need to have, because one of the case was like that. And another thing, renewed license. Somebody may have renewed their license. That renewal notice or whatever document you received should be part of the same PDF where we are uploading the license. That is a 1 MB file maximum, and 1, 2, 3 page you can have. Another point is, if you have anything to declare from your side, that you can declare in the same PDF in the writing below that. So because humans are checking all the documents and they are humble enough to call you, if you can declare something, if you want to talk to them through that particular form, you can talk to them in this way. Declare what is your condition, what is your setup, and explain that thing, like your license is like this, or your license is a half portion is folded, because of that your photo is not visible or signature is not there clearly. So whenever you are uploading that license document, have the PDF contain your information what you wanted to tell them, because they will read it, they will understand it. If required, they will call you.
Yeah, yeah, very informative on that. Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Any other question? YouTube viewers, any YouTube viewers there, Guru?
Let me check, Rajesh. Many YouTube viewers are there. Let me see if anyone has a question.
Okay, Lakshmikant is asking, I have got the license from Saral Sanjar. Should I do this again? No. Those who received the license or address change, all these requests through Saral Sanjar, and if they have a log into that Saral Sanjar website and go through that section, you will be able to see the certificate there. Then you no need to do. If it is not visible there, then you need to submit this again. So whoever is, maybe there are people those changed the address through this portal before this migration last year and last to last year. Even though they are a old ham, their record is updated here when they applied for an address change. That they will have the certificate when you log in into that. You will be able to see your certificate. Then you don't need to apply. If make sure that our certificates are visible in this portal. That is a condition here. There is no other question I can see from YouTube.
Yeah, no other question for now. Then
So if there is nothing else, we can wind it up. I think it's only 20 minutes. We saved our time overall and got info.
yeah, one point here, Nat made a good point of from starting July 1st, doctors in Karnataka state government employee cannot attest the Aadhaar cards. So yesterday I'd been to a hospital for the same reason. The doctor was on rounds and their assistant said it's only for new Aadhaar, but I did not get the attestation done. I still have to go back, but now I am also confused. If doctors can't do, we need to figure out somebody else who can do the attestation.
Guru, you can go to your nearest BESCOM office. The assistant executive engineer is authorized.
Who, Madhu, in Bestcom?
BESCOM. Yeah,
BESCOM Assistant Executive Engineer is a guest appointment.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Guru, let me add here one more point.
AEE.
Sorry, yeah. Guru, for attestation in Kerala, this plus two principal, those who are in the head of the department is authorized to sign, and headmaster of a school is authorized to sign, attest. And plus two also those who are
government school headmaster can sign.
Yeah, government school headmaster, government school plus two headmasters means principal.
I think postmaster can also sign of a regional post office.
Yeah, the easiest method is getting it to the school, because school, they don't have much clerical problems or government problems. They are humble enough to us.
Yeah, yesterday RPS, near to RPS, and I had been to Kagli for a community health center. The doctor there said, I'm authorized, but we have been asked not to sign from 1st July because there was some misuse and misrepresentation of the Aadhaar. So it's not new or old, they've been forbidden. There's a board there in the hospital which says doctors cannot sign Aadhaar copies.
Yeah, I saw that. The assistant, that's why I'm confused. I'll take your word for it because the assistant said that it is only for new Aadhaar. Yeah, but
and Assistant Executive Engineer of BESCOM can sign.
Okay.
He's a gazetted officer. And your revenue officer in your local area, panchayat or whoever, the village accountant, he can also sign.
Okay. Thanks, Nat.
Those people are authorized to sign.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thought we'll just clarify on this subject.
Yeah. I think getting attestation is the hardest job here. Rajesh has made everything else simple.
Yeah, so
Rajesh
rest
has put it very easily. He's made it very, very simple, as you said, Guru.
Yeah, correct.
And for the rest of the states, like if anyone else from other states are there, so again, all state school headmaster, that school should be till 10th, and plus two principal, those who are head of the department, head of the school, they can attest and make sure that the seal and signature, other details are in English, because I have faced the issue where it was a local language seal and they rejected it. They asked for a English seal and the person was not having an English seal.
Government college head principal can also sign. He is also a gazetted officer.
Yes. So better educational institutions are more easier for us to access.
Yeah, when I shifted from VU3 UCR to VU2 UCR, I had got the attestation done by a college principal only, guys. And just wanted to thank Rajesh and Guru for putting this together. Though I have a license from the Service Sanchar site, always interesting to know what the process is. Thanks, guys, standing by.
Thanks, Hari.
So if there are any other question or any other points, otherwise I'll mic back to you, Guru. VU3 TBO signing clear. 73. Happy Sunday to all. 73 over.
Thank you very much, Rajesh, and thanks all for joining here. 30 people registered, but being a Sunday morning, it's a busy time for most of us, family stuff. Thanks again. for joining, and thanks again for all YouTube viewers, listeners, and participants on YouTube as well. Hopefully, we'll have more such sessions coming out of BRC on current topics. Thank you very much, 73, and see you all down the line. Have a great Sunday. Signing
Guru,
off.
can you share the YouTube link on the BRC group, please?
It's there.
It's there.
It's there, Ram. ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ
Matt.
ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ.
Thank you all. Bye bye.
Yeah, thank you, Rajesh, Guru, Ram,
Okay, thanks.
everybody.
Thanks for the
Ali.
YouTube link. Thank you.
Yeah, bye-bye.
But that's for live streaming, isn't it, Guru?
Yes.
And,
That be the same link for the recorded version?
It will be there. It will be there. Yeah,
It
the
will be
video.
there. The video will be there. I'll
Okay.
share the final link again, Nat. Yeah. Okay. Thanks all. Let's,
Thanks everybody.
Thanks,
You so
Rajesh
much.
and Guru, for the great
Thank
stuff.
you all
Thanks a
for
lot.
participating. Thank you,
Thank
Ram,
you.
for participating.
Have a great Sunday, all of you.